Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use the timer on your Bosch oven. This will work independently of the actual oven itself. So even if you don't want the oven on, but you want to time, for example, how long you're cooking your eggs for, then you can use this in timer mode. So to get into the timer mode, we just have to hit this little clock in the middle once. And you can see now we have a little symbol here. This is the timer here. But it only gives you a couple of seconds before it reverts back, so you've got to be quite quick. Pretend now I want to set the timer for 4 minutes. I'm going to hit this button here, and I'm going to go like that, hit the minus and plus, and you can see it's moving in 30-second intervals. So I'm going to go to 4 minutes, and it will start counting down from there. Over 10 minutes, it will count up in 1 minute intervals, but up to 10 minutes, it will do it in 30 seconds. So you can see now it's counting down from 3 minutes 50. You can change it if you realise you made a mistake. You're like, oh, I set that wrong, I want to change that. Then you can just go down here and you can see it's changing here. And now you can see we've gone to 1 minute 30. So you can't change 1 minute 40, 1 minute 44. It has to be 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute 30 seconds, 2 minutes, up in 30 seconds. So you can see it's counting down now. When it gets to 0, it's going to give you 9 beeps. And then it will turn itself off. If you don't want to listen to the 9 beeps, you can just hit one of these buttons here and it will turn it off. So I'm just going to quicken it up a little bit, put it down to 30 seconds, fast forward through. You can see that every time you change something, it takes 2 or 3 seconds before it goes through. And that's how loud it is, not very loud. And after 9 beeps there, it's turned itself off, but we've still got the symbol here. You can just hit one of the buttons like that, and then you will get back to time there. And with this timer, you can go all the way up to 24 hours, so 23 hours, 59 minutes. And you just do that by holding this down here, and you can see it will start going up very quickly. So there we go, 1 hour, you can see now it's jumping up in 5-minute intervals there. And then leave it there and it will start counting down. So that's counting down now from 5 hours, 25 minutes. And if you want to cancel this, what you have to do is go all the way to 0. And then the timer is cancelled. And if you've got no access to any other time in the house, then once you're on the timer, if it's counting down and you want to access the time of the clock again, all you have to do is tap this and you can see it will give you the time of day and then it will revert back to the timer again. So that's it, that's everything to do with the timer function on this oven. Thanks for watching.